I'm Robert Berg from Bears One Stop. I've been involved with it and watching it since its inception, between doing t-shirts and here, and I like to follow along on how they're helping the kids. I think it's a very good thing. We sell window eggs, and our crew really pushes them very hard. Very motivated, and every now and then I'll get in and match for a day or two. Whatever the customers put in, I'll match. Yeah, it's a lot of fun. It instills or shows overall community involvement. It's not only the Pine Tree Camp I'm involved with, but anytime a donation comes through that door, I donate and try to participate, and I think it's good for all businesses to support charities around their area. In the end, it comes back and pays you back. So every now and then I take a breath. I work very hard, but when I take a breath and slow down to help a community or a charity, I always enjoy it.
Good luck, Pine Tree Camps!